Baby, nasa labas. Hello everyone! It's another day, it's another mini vlog. Yes, this is Nuna Lot. For today's video ay tayo ay maglinis muna ng ating munting bahay. And yeah, marami na din alikabok at kailangan na natin magwalis-walis kahit mainit ang panahon. So ayan, hope you enjoy my video and thank you for watching guys. Please follow my page. Enjoy! Grabe ah. So ito yung kagabi pa, ngayon ko lang tinapos nitong umaga. So ayan, pahinga na muna si Nuna Lot.